this to wash your vagina. Yes, you wash it as you are washing it with no soap, please. Yes, you use it to wash your vagina in the morning and in the evening with immediate effect, no side effect, because with this full of protein, carbohydrates, and a whole lot of minerals and vitamins, it's going to work outside and inside out. Now, if you're interested in my videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. This is your first time watching, please subscribe and also share. Let's help other women. Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. My name is Naturally DCO. This is Naturally DCS TV, and in today's video we are going to use peanuts or groundnuts to tighten our vagina and also to moisturize it. This is raw peanuts or groundnuts. You know, groundnut is very medicinal and has a lot of benefits. They are an excellent plant-based source of protein and high in various vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds. Peanuts are an especially good source of healthful fat, protein, and fiber. They also contain plenty of potassium, phosphorus, magnesium, and vitamin B. They are also low in carbohydrates, which also improve the elasticity of the muscles in maintaining the vagina. So before we get into the video, if this is your first time watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe and share to your friends and give me a thumbs up. So now I'm going to wash my peanut really well. Let me add a little bit of water to it. Wash it really well. Wash it again. Remove all the dirt because we are going to use the water. Yes, we are going to use the water, so we have to make sure that it is really well clean. So at this stage, I'm going to take a clean container like this, and I'm going to transfer my groundnuts into it. So I'm going to allow this to settle overnight. Yes, maybe I can add the water to it, cover it up, store it in a cool, dark place. Hey guys, it's early morning and our peanut has been left overnight or soaked in water overnight, and this is how our peanut water looks like, full of nutrients. That is the water. So I'm going ahead to use a strainer and a bowl. You can use a container so far as you're going to use it in the bathroom. Yes, now what we have here is our peanuts left out of the water. It can be left or it can be used for a peanut milk. Yes, a peanut milk. If you are interested in knowing how to do a peanut milk, don't forget to leave a comment down below and I'll do a video on that. Now what we have left is our peanut water or groundnut water. The recipe is you use this to wash your vagina. Yes, you wash it as you are washing it with no soap, please. Yes, you use it to wash your vagina in the morning and in the evening with immediate effect, no side effect, because with this full of protein, carbohydrates, and a whole lot of minerals and vitamins, it's going to work outside and inside out. Now, if you're interested in my videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. This is your first time watching, please subscribe and also share. Let's help other women save their marriage. Thanks for watching.